So why does the iPhone keep saying that a web page can't open? Let me show you some possible reasons for it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss explanations and videos like this one. So there might be more things which are going on. First of all, obviously, check your internet connection. Just go to the control center, tap on the Wi-Fi and see if you are connected to begin with or if the connection actually works. Because sometimes you might be connected to a network, but that network doesn't have any internet. So that might be what's going on. So perhaps if you have the option to switch to a different Wi-Fi or restart it, or perhaps go to the mobile network if you have cellular internet. So that's how you can just rule out the internet connection to be default. But then there are more things which might be going on. For example, the date might be set up incorrectly on your iPhone. So if you check out the settings, general, and a date and a time, I would recommend you to set it up automatically so you don't have to worry about anything. But it might happen that the incorrect time settings and a date, it causes the internet web pages to not be able to load, right? And yeah, there might also be the issue with the web browser or some restrictions, so perhaps check out a different web browser. I like to use Safari, but sometimes I also switch to the Google Chrome if something doesn't work out the way that I want it, to see if it's just the fault of a browser or of a web page. But if none of that works or helps, it's still possible that the website has some problems. So it's nothing with you or with the internet, but perhaps that actual web page is down or simply doesn't work for the period of time. So perhaps you'll need to wait and be patient until they restore it. So it depends on the situation, but I would really appreciate your feedback if you let me know if we managed to fix the issue for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.